Hi, my gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous people out there. We are getting outside today, out in the outdoors, and we are going to film outside today. Just look at how beautiful it is. So I'm going to be filming over here today, right in front of the hay barn. Hi, Mal. Say hi to everybody. Hey, look. Say hi to everybody. I forgot to bring her some carrots. You gonna give a kiss? Give a kiss. Give me. She totally knows when I don't have something for her, but she loves her mama. Hi, my beautiful souls. It's Jody from Soft Soul Yoga. Hi, everybody. Oh my God, it's gorgeous out. Yay, we're outside. I am so happy. You know how I love to be outdoors. So anyway, we are here. I am going to be filming in front of the hay barn today. So this is our hay barn. This is where we store all of Molly's hay and all her feed. It's all the over excess that because in her barn we have her food there, but then we put all the excess in here. So anyway, I couldn't wait. I am out of work. It's Saturday. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, so exciting. So I just took a nice fresh shower. I wore a hat today because the sun is beating down and I'm not going to be able to see all my movements and poses and stuff to make sure that we're doing form right. So if you're new to my channel, thank you. Welcome. We are here on the farm and we are going to get ready. Today we're just going to do some light stretching. I'm actually going to do some backwards. Anyway, I'll show you. Just some legs up on the barn. We call it leg barn. And I do have something new that I want to show you guys. So this is another product that I love, and I think you guys already know this with the gua sha, that when I do all the lymphatic drainage, I do it in my legs with the wooden one. But this one is the one for the face. So anyway, I'm gonna open it. There we go. Right? And what's great about this one is that it has these beautiful bristles that are super soft, and basically you just, for all us women out there 50 and over, actually for anyone, but we just want to push everything away and down. And you could go hard. The other one you couldn't really go hard with the wood one because remember I was telling you, you don't want to hurt yourself. So this at least you can. You could go up and out. And so anyway, these are going to be in my link down in the description. So make sure you grab one of these. They're so inexpensive too. And it comes with a cute little case to carry along and bring with you. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to start with cat cows. We love the cat cow. We just love, we need to do a little stretch. Oh, today was so busy at work, so. Okay, stretch it down. Child's pose. Up. Bend. Cow. Round that back. Up. And let's switch. Bend those hips. Let's bend. Oh yeah. And we're gonna, remember well, as we get older, we kind of get a little stiff in all our joints and stuff. So we definitely want to get the rhythm going. And you want to loosen up all the joints in your back, in the L5. And you want to get down. And we're going to get lower, as low as you can, and up. And pose. Okay, ready? Swing those hips again. Other direction. 2, 3. Round out your back too as you do it. And down. Okay. Get all the way down on 4. Stretch up. Get that bum up in the air. Okay. So now we're going to do something called legs against the barn. Here we go, guys and girls. Okay. And we're going to up, down, up and down. If we could get them over, let's do it again. Over and down. Oh, up, touch. Okay, let's do, oh, there we go. Baby and rock. This is all great for your lower back tension. And now we're just going to breathe, take in the sun. And then we're going to come up. So, again, like I said, I always love being outside. Any chance I get to do some exercises out here, just to do some stretching and some cat-cows and stretch our core. Yep, we're gonna stretch this. You're gonna elongate our torsos. Sorry. All right. Anyway, I hope everybody had a great day today. Today's Saturday. I wonder what everybody's doing on their Saturday. Oh, and today I'm wearing another Hurley one piece. This one is black. I love these. They just are form-fitting. They accentuate every curve, and they're also in my link in my description. Do some leg pulses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do the other side. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch out. Oh, yeah. And a little hit. Oh yeah. We're gonna reach and touch our back of our foot if we can. Let me get that in there so you can see. So we're gonna reach. There we go. And over. And now we're gonna switch and do the other side. Oh my gosh, I forgot my tea inside. Okay, well, you know I'm drinking the Egyptian tea, so might have to go inside and go get it. So, stand by. Okay, I'm back. Ah, tea. Okay. All my teas are linked down below in the description on my Amazon link and my storefront. What else? So let's just sit and chat a minute. I have a lot to do this weekend. So right now Pablo's he's actually in the barn right now. He's doing a little mucking. So that was fun. I was over there earlier, but I had to get Molly out of her pen. So she was just being a little stubborn. So that's why did you see her in the beginning? She didn't even want to look at me because I didn't have the carrot. She could be like that, our little girl. But I'm gonna get some carrots and feed her up a little bit later. She's got some new treats, and what else? So my day was good. I am just happy to be outside, and things are starting to bloom. I am so happy. We have yellow flowers over there. I'll show you later. We'll take a walk. And yeah, hubby is burning the wood from the tree yesterday, so that's another thing. And I just also want to say thank you to all my followers and all my likes and comments and my subs. I posted my last night's video this morning, so thank you. Just keep watching. We're gonna have some more fun stuff as the weather starts getting better and warmer, I should say. We're gonna, I'm gonna be filming in different locations, so it will be fun. And that's about it. So like, if you've enjoyed this on this YouTube channel on Soft Soul Yoga, I'm just happy that all my women and men and anybody who's just following and finding me, thank you. This is a great journey right now, and I just want to keep producing and keep putting it out there for you, because I love doing this. Tomorrow I heard we're gonna have another beautiful day, so can't wait to see y'all, and bye.